based on true events, following the path of a steward, a 4-part testimony against the oath bound. You're watching episode 1 of 4. What's unlawful is made legal. Christian parents who boldly defend their religious rights are having their children kidnapped every single day by judicial domestic terrorists operating within the U.S. family court system. These violations are not only individual tragedies, but accumulated they are a national security threat. The infringements leave parents feeling ashamed and vulnerable, silenced by fear, while the trauma consumes them from the inside out. With 1 out of every 3 children being targeted, the odds are high that you know a family. I am the stewardess sent to declare, a testimony for anyone who's ready to stand against tyranny. I carry a sword of truth from what is lawfully written. This can be liberating or it can be frightening. I was not elected. I did not want this path. I was assigned, and I accepted. Not to campaign, but to carry the cross without shame. I was called, not certified, raised by Lord God, not the state. When judges' verdicts started defending criminals, leaders changed titles to corruption and called it order. A group of them got together to discuss a strategy. They bought House votes to pass the Safe Family Act. States now abuse federal-funded capitation fees to hinder life. Division officers make judicial verdicts that violate the Bill of Rights, and parents are sent back through without finding resolution. The world leaders will tell you that slavery has ended, but I am declaring it took different shapes and forms, from chemical suppression to human trafficking, with financial burdens and government-restricted lands. There are no advocates who stand, unless it benefits their pockets. You can try the legal chain of order and reach out to all places. Ask for a speedy trial. Plan on waiting over 3 years. They procrastinate cases, drug and interrogate toddlers. Bonds are severed with children, and guilt's applied before trial. I now declare what the world tries to erase, and make aware the wrong that was done to my house, by blood, by word, and before Christ, challenged by the devil, who the state tried to hide. What's there to do when you're told you cannot have emotions? When public courts refuse petitions made by the people? When life choices are systematically decided by another person? It's too late by then. But today you can be proactive when you subscribe.